So this dance that we go through between cortisol and melatonin, can you break that down a little bit for us?
Yeah, so I mean, both cortisol and melatonin are key hormones. They're circadian hormones in the body that are responsible for different things. Cortisol, when you wake up, the cortisol response is responsible for waking you up and getting you into the day. Um, in terms of melatonin, I mean, there are two different forms of melatonin. You have one daytime form stimulated by near infrared light from the sun that actually activates the subcellular form of melatonin from the mitochondria. And then you have the nighttime form, which is the circulatory form produced by the pineal gland in response to darkness. And so you can kind of see how this light and dark cycle is playing an integral role into melatonin synthesis specifically. But either way, they have an inverse relationship. So fundamentally, when cortisol is really high, you'll have low melatonin, and vice versa when it comes to the nighttime. But I do think that outside of that, there is a more complex understanding of the hormonal dance or play, because like I said, there is the daytime melatonin as well. And so even though cortisol might be high in the morning, we do know that if you're out in the sun, skin in the game, then you have a high amount of local and cellular melatonin available at the same time.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.